Tip 1. Wear appropriate gear. Wearing suitable gear, such as swimsuits designed for water aerobics and water shoes, can significantly enhance your overall experience. Besides comfort, water shoes provide additional support, protect your feet from any rough pool surface, and help enhance traction during water exercises, thus reducing the chance of slipping. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Despite being in water, it's still possible to get dehydrated during water aerobics. As with any form of exercise, ensure you take frequent breaks to sip on water, keeping your body well hydrated and functioning optimally. Tip 3. Start slow. Consider starting slow if you are new to water aerobics. You can begin with easy motions such as walking and then gradually incorporate different activities like jumping jacks or leg kicks as your strength and stamina increase. Remember that the goal is to make consistent improvements and not to overdo it. Tip 4. Make use of aquatic exercise equipment. Adding equipment like foam noodles, water weights, and kickboards can add resistance to your workouts, making your sessions even more effective. It also helps in targeting different muscle groups, ensuring a full-body workout. Tip 5. Listen to your body. It's essential to pay attention to your body's signals during water aerobics. If you feel any unusual pain or discomfort during the workout, it's crucial to stop and rest. Overworking can result in injuries that could sideline you from exercising for days or even weeks. Tip 6. Maintain proper posture. Keeping correct alignment while executing water exercises will prevent unnecessary strain on your body and allow for more efficient movement. Try keeping your abdomen pulled in towards your spine, and remember not to slouch. Tip 7. Regularly change your routine. Similar to other forms of exercise or to avoid plateauing, it's helpful to rotate your water aerobic routines. Regularly changing your workouts can stimulate different muscles groups, making your sessions more challenging and exciting. Tip 8. Attend classes. Joining water aerobics classes for seniors can yield multiple benefits. Apart from the communal spirit, these classes can aid you in maintaining the correct form and provide you with a diversified set of exercises guided by professionals. Tip 9. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of water aerobics. While it's important not to push yourself too hard, staying committed to a regular schedule will ensure progressive improvements in your stamina and overall fitness. Tip 10. Warm up and cool down. Begin each session with a light warm-up exercise such as a slow swim to increase your heart rate. Similarly, incorporate a cool down period at the end of each session to gradually bring your heart rate back to normal and decrease muscle stiffness. Tip 11. Consider individual fitness level. Everyone's fitness level is different, and it's essential to recognize your limits. Modify any exercises as necessary and work at your own pace. Be sure not to compare yourself to other participants. Remember, the goal is to enhance your own wellness, not to compete with others.